Hey everyone, Creeper Plays Minecraft here. Welcome back to another video. Once again, I'm playing Scratch, well, game, website, whatever you want to call it. We're on Scratch, and we're gonna do more coding. This is not a tutorial, because I've started the first part of this mini series with uh, a lot of sprites already, so this is not a tutorial. Okay, so, ow. If I go to the gear shop, this X-ray, these X-ray goggles will be available for buying if I have enough money. Wait, brightness effect, not ghost effect. And if bought, then I'll make it disappear and make it impossible to buy again. Actually, it would just be wasting your money. So even if you did go to buy it again, it would just be a waste, of course. And then I have to get the set. Instead of clear graphic effect, it's gonna be set brightness effect specifically, and then ghost 100, so that upon being bought, let's say I had lots of crystals, 1 million. I don't think I give enough. And I don't have any other achievements other than first click, and I don't even have the 1 billion crystals thing, just because I only have 1 million crystals. And to the gear shop. I bought it. There. Except that's just the brightness effect. And now we've got X-ray goggles that you can still keep buying for absolutely no purpose at all, even after they're bought. And even when you do buy them for just the first time, they literally do nothing. Let's fix that. And okay, let's broadcast a message. Let's broadcast a message upon buying this thing. Show achievements. Okay, let's check the achievements in the game just to remember how they work, because I don't remember how these things work, because I haven't edited them. Let's see, wait, no. Wait on crystals is more than 0, because that's the achievement requirement. Switch costume to create clone of myself. Well, switch costume, create clone, and then forever switch costume, so that this will only happen to the, so that the achievement reveal will only happen to the ones that haven't been revealed yet, that haven't been completed. As you can see, I've got no achievements. When I open, nope, nothing. Literally no achievements. No idea what any of these mean except for the pictures, and this one doesn't even have a picture. So it will still say locked because you don't have the achievement. It's not going to give you all the achievements. It will just show you what they're about. So I'm going to give all the achievements a bonus costume, costume 3, that it says everything about the crystal, about the achievement, but it will still say locked. Obviously, you're not going to be getting I'm obviously not going to be getting the X-ray glasses without doing this unless you glitch the game, but I'm going to add it anyway. I also have to add after I do the costume fixing, I have to add the codes, the random code pieces that make the costumes actually use something that actually exists and stuff. Okay, locked, increase your crystals per second. Gonna duplicate the completely unlocked one. Paste in the locked thing that says achievement locked. No way you're gonna get this. Paste it and don't move it. Actually, I'm gonna move it. That looks right in that position. Okay. Next one. Speed grinding. It's got its costume 3, but it will say locked. And then the next achievement on the list to be edited. Okay, so copy this one. Paste in the fact that it's locked. And then moving on to this one about the mysterious force of the universe. Locked. The completely unnamed one. Oops. Not what I wanted to do. Wait, for this one, haven't I just... Okay. Didn't forget any steps there. Duplicate. Locked. You did it. Locked. Okay, so back to this. That's everything has the special, you know, code. Now I'm in the special costume. Now I'm gonna add the right code so that it will actually use the costume. So that if you have them, they won't change into a locked form. And I will test out the game's easiest achievement when I am done. This red achievement doesn't have the wait until this happens block, but I can still put this in to make it stuck in the unlocked state so it won't lock itself after you use X-ray glasses. And even if it doesn't, and to make sure it works, I will be testing it. So put another forever loop with one of these, and then last one, put a forever loop with one of these. And this one has a weight block because there is a very good, since the Mysterious Force of the Universe is the most expensive upgrade in both the normal and cursor shops, there's a chance it'll be the last one you buy, which unlocks this achievement and this achievement. And so they both come out of the side of the screen, as achievements do when you unlock them, and you won't be able to, and one of them will be in front of the other, and you can't see it. So this one has a delay to appearing after the specific goals are met. Let's test. Skipping tutorial. Nothing has happened here. You can see with this, everything is locked. Wait a minute. I can't test that with the easiest achievement in the game because you can't not get that achievement but still have the glasses. So that works as usual. Wait, I could test that actually. And then go to the cheats, give crystals. I would like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would like that many, please. I can afford the X-ray glasses now. I've not got too many crystals at all. Gear shop achievements. And you can all see, and as you can see, first click, it's still in its unlocked state, hasn't changed at all. But the other achievements have, oh, wait, they're still locked. Oh, yes, I forgot to actually make the code that changes them into their newer unlock costume. That just prevents them from, the code I just added prevents them from being turned into the X-ray goggles state when they've already been unlocked, which is, oops. Okay, I want to use copy paste to get everything inside. So I think I have an idea. Switch costume to, where was that block in here? Costume number equal to, costume number equals, no, because that will give true or false. If it's false, it'll give 0. Ah, this is hard. Switch costume to costume number. Okay, there's no way to work around it now. Switch costume to... I wonder, if I go into here and say switch costume number to... Oh, I can't just put a number in here. I could just use this. 2 plus 0. Will it... I may have just found a workaround because it will switch to costume number 2, which is, well, that. Show achievements. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. So now, if I were to say, skip that, get into the cheats menu, give myself a bunch of crystals. Hold on. 3, 4, 5, 6. Get the achievement. Go to the gear shop now. Now go to the achievements menu, and now it will show a locked version of every a locked version of every achievement, but it still has an explanation as if it were unlocked, except for the one that I already have unlocked, which stays as it should be, and the rest have worked using this little cheat. The reason I don't want to put it like this is because even though each one has a costume called costume 2, I think it wouldn't understand that because it's from a different sprite's code. And when you put different sprite codes and stuff like costumes, it just tends to not work. So that still works. Switch costume to costume 2, basically. And then even 1 plus 1 would work here. Just has to be something that equals to 1.5 plus 0.5. Sure. Just something that equals out to 2. Like, you could even put a divided, like a 4 divided by 2, and you'd still get 2. So that's how you confirm that the X-ray goggles do in fact work, except buying them again is pointless. Okay, skip you. I just realized the gear shop is still there upon opening the game. That's not what I want. Like, if someone left the game and it was in the gear shop state, it would still be in that state for the next person to start the game, which is not what I want. And if you're wondering, yes, the world record doesn't change if you use cheats to get to that point. So you can't just cheat in 1 billion million trillion crystals. So the world record will be what I was doing earlier in the second part. Before I used the cheats because it took way too long. Not that. Yeah, that is not good. That is not meant to happen. Don't all the cheats button have a very specific piece of code? World record active? That is strange. Oh. Oh, I see what it is though. No, because it's even though it will give you crystals per second, it does remove the world record active. That's a pain. It has stopped working. Alright, let's continue. What else to put in the gear shop? But also the gear shop still needs an icon. for me to put there. So back to costumes. I really like designing costumes. I like coding games, but I also like designing costumes to use in my games. Deselect that, deselect that, deselect that, deselect that. So I've only got the X-ray goggles selected. When the X-ray goggles are selected, so I can then paste them into there, move them back 2 layers. I actually don't know what else to put in the gear shop. What else? What other advantages can I give to the player? And just like, what else could they do? Just like, what else could I do for the player who's playing the game? I've already given access to achievements. Cursor shop, stat doesn't need any upgrades, just a menu. Shop, special shop, achievements, gear shop. I could add a discount. I could add a really expensive discount thing that halves the price of everything, but that would be really complicated to make. I will add a coming soon sign. Open the gear shop. Coming soon. Place a big coming soon sign on the shelf. And then place a bigger coming soon sign on the other shelf. So this will cover the shelf because there is nothing here currently except for the X-ray goggles. Coming soon, coming soon. I don't know how soon this will be. But I'm just gonna give it a little tour around the game. Okay, so the regular shop, you got what you can buy here: pickaxes, cost 10 crystals, and they give you +1 crystals per second. Drill car, cost 50 crystals, 15 per second. TNT costs 150, 50 points, plus 50 points per second. Drone costs 100,000, 99,999 points per second. Oops. Okay, it snapped back because I put dragon somewhere else. Nuclear factory, not even gonna bother trying to say how much that is. Same with this, it's so long, it has to go on to the next line. Black hole bomb, insane amount. Mysterious force of the universe, even more. Let's go back to the cursor shop, which is the next one, which is the second shop I added into the game. Before there were no menus, it was just a white background and some upgrade buttons surrounding a crystal. But then I added the shop menu eventually, and then this is the second menu I added to the game, the cursor shop. But it didn't look like this at first. There were no shelves and the background was red. Wood cursor costs 10 crystals plus 3 cursor force, which is how many crystals you get upon clicking the crystal, the main one in the center. Stone cursor costs 50 plus 10. Steel cursor one costs 150 plus 30. Gold cursor 3,000 plus 1,500. Diamond cursor costs 10,000 plus 4,000. Void cursor, not even gonna try saying how much that is. And dark matter cursor, even more. Next is the achievements. First click, earn your first crystal. Locked, increase your crystal per second, that's slow grinding. Click, 1 billion crystals. Speed grinding. Get the mysterious force of the universe. It's called What Have You Done? That's the achievement name. Get every upgrade and it's called You Did It! Exclamation mark. Every upgrade in the normal ad cursor shop spot at least once. Get the trophy, which is somewhere in the special shop. See the special shop? It's up next. Dark crystals. It's what you need to buy anything in the special shop. Costs. That's a lot. Costs a lot. Sharper pickaxes. Costs 1 dark crystal, 1.5 multiplier to any pickaxe you buy. And in case you're wondering why the score at the bottom never shows up in decimals, that's something called display crystals. And the real crystal counter is shown in decimals a lot of the time once you start buying multipliers. And the display crystals is just your actual crystal amount rounded down or up to the nearest whole number. Better drill battery. Cost 3 dark crystals, 1.5 multiplier to any drill you buy. Originally it was a fuel tank, but I changed it to battery in the in the game upgrade. Stronger dynamite. Costs 5 dark crystals, 1.5 multiplier to any TNT you buy. High-tech drones. You can see now they've got rocket boosters, a little bar that you can hang on to if you wanted to ride with it. And it's got a crystal blocks on top to better store crystals, and also uses a power source while mining. Renewable energy, even though that nuclear energy is renewable energy, okay? Costs 9 dark crystals, 1.5 multiplied to any nuclear factory you buy. Just don't touch this. Don't touch the barrel. More sucking power for black holes. Costs 11 dark crystals, 1.5 multiplier. I'm not even going to mention the multiplier anymore because it's the same for everything. Dark matter explosion, 13 dark crystals for black hole bombs. Limitless power, 15 dark crystals again. No, that was 13 before. 15 dark crystals again, but this time for mysterious force of the universe. Higher clicks per second, also 15 dark crystals because it's just as expensive as the overpowered mysterious force of the universe because it's for every cursor in the cursor shop. Page 3, and I've also tried to make a nice font for the numbers here. Ultimate trophy, 30 dark crystals, beat the game requires this thing. Dimensional portal. Stats menu. This is the world record. This is your cursor force. The amount of dark crystals you have, your crystals per second. And I really have to finish now. And that was, well, there's a cheats menu, which you've already seen. Just buttons for dark crystals, cursor force, crystals per second, gear shop, X-ray glasses, allows you to see details for achievements you haven't gotten yet. Nothing else here coming soon. All of it. And that is it for this video. Bye.